Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see our new one, that is the new electrical equipment, that is the regulated DC power supply. You can see this is your regulated DC power supply. Okay, so this is the positive pin of regulated DC power supply, and this is the negative pin of the regulated DC power supply. These are the two display units, that is the overload and the current load. Okay, if the circuit diagram or the electrical network in which this DC supply is connected, if the circuit diagram is overloaded, then this light used to blink. If it is the load is correct, the load is uniform, this light used to blink. This CV it this light, it used to blink in green, and this this is used to blink in red color, red light, that is red light. Okay, so now I will on the regulated uh, DC power supply. Okay, so this is the power switch of the regulated DC power supply, you can see. Okay, now, so this section, you can see, this is the voltage section, this is the current section, this is the display unit, which this unit, it determines the voltage. This shows the voltage reading, and this shows the current reading. Here you can see that the units of voltage and the current is mentioned, that is the volts and amperes. So this is the knob which is used to adjust the voltage. If I will rotate this, you can see that. Okay, you can see that I have set it in. So this is the fine tune. Okay, this is used to vary the value in fine value. Okay, it will means 0.12, like that, it is used to vary. Okay, this fine knob, here you can see that fine is written here. So this varies the value minutely, means large variation we can't see in it. Okay, now you can see that this green light used to blink. This green light denotes that the load, this is the supply across the circuit diagram or the electrical network, is uniform. Okay, if this light in this overload, this used to blink in red color. If it blinks, it denotes that it is the circuit, and the or the electrical network is overloaded. Okay, so here I will vary the current. You can see that the current value also used to vary. Okay, this is used to vary the current across the circuit. So this is the current section. This course is used to vary the current, and this fine tune, this is used to vary the current minutely. So this is the positive terminal of the DC power supply, this is the negative terminal of the DC power supply. By using wires, you can connect it, but you can loosen it, you can rotate wire, you can attach the wire, that is the conductor wire in it, and you can tight it like this. Okay, you can tight it, you can rotate it and tight it like this. Okay, and this negative pin also. So okay, this is the fuse pin of the regulated DC power supply. Okay, now now we will see the multimeter. Okay, what is multimeter? Multimeter, it is a device which is used to measure the voltage. You can see that here there are various values are given. You can see this is the on, this now I have offed the multimeter. So by using multimeter, you can measure the AC voltage, DC voltage. Okay, this is ohms, resistance, continuity, various all things in multimeter. AC current, DC current, you can measure using the multimeter. Okay, this is the two probes of the multimeter. Okay, you can this probe, you can connect it here. This is the common, you can connect it in the common. This is the, if you want to measure the voltage, there's a resistance, this is voltage, this symbol denotes the resistance. Okay, ohms. If you want to measure the voltage or the resistance or the continuity, you should connect the probe here. Okay, if you want to measure the current, you should connect the probe here. Okay. So first of all, you should this in multimeter, this is the hold button. Okay, this is the minimum maximum button. This button, if you will press this button, you can set it in minimum maximum. You can see that this is the hold button. Okay, and this is the minimum maximum. This is used to set the range. This is the range button. Okay, by this, using this, you can change the unit. If you can see, if it is in mega ohms, okay, by using the range, you can set it in ohms. Okay, now you can see that it is converted into ohms. Okay, yeah, this is the display of multimeter. So what is multimeter? Multimeter is nothing but it is a measuring device to use the it is used to measure the voltage, AC voltage, DC voltage, ohm, mega ohms, okay, continuity, AC current, DC current across a circuit or across any equipment or in any electrical network. Okay, so thank you.